A quick update on Maple Finance here. So I don't know if we've ever covered this one before, but Maple Finance, looking on the best chart I could find, it looks to be the bottom is in here. It's been going sideways for a very long time. This is a Coinbase coin, low market cap. So looking at it here, low to the high, you tag the 786 support here at 10 and a half. So 10 and a half should be the bottom on this thing. It could always go lower because it did just make a lower low, of course. So we'll see how it plays out here. And it's doing the same thing the rest of the market's doing. This little bear flag stair stepping down thing. So what we're going to simply do, we're already on the daily candles here. The momentum has shifted back to the downside here. Let me go ahead and pull up a fib going from the high to the low. Let's see what we got to match up here. So on the larger one, the 618 at 12, 12 and a half, if we get over that, we can be back to being bullish. And very short term here, let me zoom this in on Syrup here, Maple Finance. Going from the high here to that low, we're sitting right on the 236. So as long as you're over 111, the bottom is in. Needs to get back 114 to be bullish, and then the breakout over pretty much 12. Once you get back over 12, then you're in good shape to move up. If you keep getting stuck here and you cannot get above, we'll say the 0.5 at about 11.7, and you form one of these once again, then that will, pretty much signal that the price is going to come back down to the lows here, all the way back down to that 786 at 10.5, and you would have this thing drop. If it cannot get back over those levels, not bad. Only a 5% drop here, and then we'll just kind of update it from there if we look at it again. So not the worst looking. I mean, it's on the bottom once again. So you would think that that would be it. Zooming out to the 3-day candle chart here. And the bigger question is, where is this thing going to end up? So once you get back over on the macro here, 14 up to 15 and a half, 14 and a half to 15 and a half, that's when you're bullish once again. And Bullrun confirmed on Maple Finance here over 21 cents. And then the big question, like I said, it's sitting at 100 million market cap at the moment. So for this thing to potentially hit a billion market cap, if people are going to buy this coin, which is possible in a bull market, you can see the first stop 1272 at 50 cents would be your 4.5x. And if this thing's just going to shoot up here to the 2 level, you can see that would put you at about $1.40 on this thing, and that would get you over a billion market cap, of course, and that's where you get a 12.5x on Maple Finance. And then, of course, 2 billion market cap would take you up here to $2. So what are your thoughts? That's an 18x to $2 for a 2 billion market cap. So what are your thoughts on Maple Finance? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.